So here we are at the lounge, and we're gonna make our way to the NAT in order to start the, well, infinite money glitch. You will have to have access to a basic boost pack like we have already right here. And for this, you just have to go through the first couple of missions with New Constellation. That shouldn't be a problem. And also you'll have to unlock the skill tree, which is called boost packs in your skill inventory. This being the one right here. So let's see. Yeah, so over tech, you go over here at boost pack training, and you'll have to have this unlocked in order to use a basic boost pack that you'll receive from New Constellation. Alright, so to start things off, we'll just go over to the transportation system here, which is called NAT on this planet. I'll just hop in the cart here and go over to the commercial district. Alright, and once you're arrived at the commercial district, just hug the left hand side here. This building, you just keep it on your left hand side at all times and just sprint for it. At the end of this building here on the left hand side, you'll see a tree that we'll have to jump on. Alright, and there's our tree right there that we'll just have to hop on. Alright, and as you can see, there's a branch. Yeah, we'll have to jump on top of that branch there so that we can jump again and jump over that ledge over there so that we can go out of bounds. There we go, we're on top of the branch here, and now being on top of the branch, just wait for the boost a bit and jump again. There we go, we are on top of this ledge right here, and we'll have to go through that door. And once we go through the door, you'll see that we're pretty much out of bounds right now, and we'll just have to continue on our way back to the starport, out of bounds, before we can loot the guy's chest. So we'll just go over right this side right here. You arrive at this pretty long dang fall that we'll have to take. No worry, no damage with the boost pack, so but still, to be on the safe side, let's just heal ourselves a little bit. And we'll just jump right off. There we go. We do have a bunch of options. First is that chest right there. That's just a coffee shop chest. Shouldn't have too many credits in there, but we can definitely do that. 1500 credits. Okay, let's take those. That's what we did. And now we'll continue on the right hand side, keeping this out of bounds buildings to our left hand side at all times. There's another chest here that we can loot. I think we could loot. Yeah. There's some credits, 5,000 credits. Sure, that's fine. Okay, caliber, whatever, beer, caliber, med packs, big picks, sure, caseless, ammo, can never have too much ammo. Alright, space trunk color, mercury, bezels, neons, whatever, okay, so let's just continue here. Keep the buildings to your left at all times until you arrive at this place right here. And then you continue forward. Go through the valley. And on the other side, you should be able to see the guy's chest by now, which is right there. There we go. That's the starport. That's our ship. This is the guy, the vendor, and this is his chest. Or I should say this is the vendor, actually. And as you can see, there are a bunch of credits in there, like 72,000 credits. So let's just take them on. Great. Alright, right. Ha! The companion is with us. Alright, so let's just try and repeat the glitch and see how much money we can get out of this guy. Let's just jump into our menu right here. I want to jump to a certain planet or a constellation. Alright, let's just go back. We should go to the Solar System right here. go to Venus. That's because it takes a lot of hours spent on Venus. So let's set the course here. Let's jump over to Venus. 1 hour waiting time on Venus. It's the equivalent of 100 hours universal time in the rest of the solar system. So that's why it's good. So the guy's chest has time to reset. All right, landing target. Land. Let's just get off the seat here. And we'll wait a little bit. As you can see, 1 local hour equivalent. As you can see, 1 local hour is the equivalent of 100 hours in the universal time. So yeah, we'll do 1 hour. Wait. And as the saying goes, rinse and repeat. There we go, 72,000 credits once again. Just make sure to wait 24 hours on Venus.